Here in algebraic expressions, we can use some identities also. So now I'll first tell you all the identities, then I'll show you few sums in which you can apply these identities to solve it. So using the identities, solving the algebraic expressions becomes easy. And also this is not only important for class 8, but it is going to be important for your next coming classes as well. So the first identity, whenever you will see like terms are getting multiplied, like let's say the first binomial is a plus b, the second is also a plus b, so you can simply say this thing as a plus b whole square, and here we can use our first identity. So this identity says if you're finding a plus b whole square, so that will be a square, the first term square, plus the square of the second term, and plus twice of the first term into the second term. And in your books it is also written as this, like the square of the first term plus twice of ab, that is the first term and the second term, plus the square of the second term. So you can, both are correct, so you can use it in any of the way. So this is the first identity. Now we have the second identity. It says it's the same, only difference is the symbol. So if you have a minus b whole square, then this identity will be the square of the first term, square of the second term, then only difference is the middle term. So the middle term will come as minus of twice of a into b. So that you're going to get. And the proof of this is also very easy. So you can easily find out a plus b whole square. You know that first a will be multiplied with a plus b, then the b will be multiplied with a plus b again. So in the first one you are going to get a square plus ab, then plus ba plus b square, and when you will sum up these, so you'll get 2ab. So directly you can use this formula. If you have these, you know these identities, you can directly use these. Now there is another very important identity, so that says a plus b into a minus b. So if you are multiplying the like terms, only the difference is the sign. So in the first one it's like plus, and in the second one it's minus, then you can simply write it as square of the first term minus square of the second term. So only this thing you will be getting for that, so that you can use in your questions. Then we have the last identity that you have in your class 8, that says if you have x plus a and x plus b. So the first term is same in both and the second term is different. So in these cases you can use this identity that says x square plus sum of the terms, the second term, so that's a plus b into x, then plus product of the second terms. So these you can use. And in case if you are getting a negative sign over there in these, so that can be also solved with that. So it's also very easy. So if you have like x plus a is your first term and the second term says x minus b, so simply you do one thing, take the x square, treat it as the first term you write x, and the second term you can write like plus, just give the bracket inside, so it's like that. So you can do it like this. So the same formula you can use here. So a and then minus b, and you know that a minus b will give you minus ab. So the same identity you can use it for this one as well. So x square, here you'll get a minus b into x minus ab, like this. So same way you can do it for minus a also. Let's say we have to multiply this 1.1 m minus 0.4, and you can see it looks like 1.1 m minus 0.4 square. Okay, so here you know which identity you can use, a minus b whole square you can use. So it says a square, square of the first term minus twice of the first and second term plus the second term whole square. So you can, whenever you solve these questions, we'll write using this identity and then we are going to expand it. So square of the first term is this, minus twice of the first term 1.1 m into 0.4. okay, and remember to don't give this minus sign. You have given once here, so just keep it like this only. And the second term is 0.4 square. So your answer will be 1.21 m square. Then here you will get 88, so that's will be like 0.88 m. Then plus here you will get 0.16 square of 4 is 16, so that will be your answer. So like this you have to use it. Now here I have taken this another question, and in this I am using the identity which says x plus a into x plus b, product of that. So you know that it says x square plus sum of the second terms into x plus the product of the second terms. So here also your x is x only. So product of x plus 3 into x plus 7 is going to be the square of the first term, that is x square, then sum of the a and b, so that's 3 and 7 x, then plus 3 into 7. So here you get x square plus 10x plus 21. So using the identity helps to solve it very